David from California says, I've tried countless different mouthguards to help with my snoring. From cheap $20 gimmicks to professionally fabricated custom $4,000 mouthguards, and even designed and made my own a few times. The Somnofit Snore Guard is without a doubt the best and most effective and reliable mouthpiece I've tried yet. In fact, I've ended my search for anything better because I honestly don't think it exists. Want these results for yourself? Try the Somnofit-S Mouthguard Plus from Snoreless now. And if you're concerned it won't work for you, take advantage of our 120-night return policy. If you're not fully satisfied, we'll refund you in full.